Hey guys, Jenny B here, JLB Nerdy, coming at you today with my top 5 scariest rides at Walt Disney World. My first attraction up is Mission Space from Epcot. First off, it is on sacred ground of that is Horizon, so may it rest in peace. And second of all, there are so many warnings for this ride. It is bonkers. I actually watched Molly on All Ears ride through it and count them out, over 10 warning signs that if you do not like confined spaces and movement and you have short hair that's too short, then you probably shouldn't ride. I know whenever we went as a family, we got to the very last, right before you got in the seat, and I said, nah, I'm good. I know there's 2 different tracks you can do. You can do the green, which is a little calmer, there's no G-forces pulled, and there's orange, which is more extreme. So yeah, don't foresee me hitting that up anytime soon. Number 2 on the list today of scariest attractions is Splash Mountain. This starts our theme of heights and how I'm not a fan. So, I've ridden Splash Space, all the mountains, who knew? I've ridden Splash once. I was about 6 years old. My dad said, hey, let's go do this, and somehow I got on it, I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't have the ride photo, but I know it was back of the log. He had to keep his arm around me, and we went down the hill going. So, Lost keeps talking about getting me on it again. I keep watching ride-throughs. I just don't like when you get to the tippy top and you do that little, I don't know. Now that we're going in December, I probably won't be riding it in case it's cold, but we'll see. Number 3 on my list is the Tower of Terror at Hollywood Studios. This one I finally faced my fears of last fall, and I'm good. I did it once because some sort of bravery kicked up, and yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I love the theming of it. I would love to just walk through it and take the chicken exit again. So maybe if Lost wants to ride next time, we'll do that and I'll just chicken out. But I am not an up and down girl. Learned that one the hard way. Didn't get sick or anything, but let me tell you, after that second drop down and then they pull you back up again, I was literally thinking out loud, when is this going to be over? But I am proud because that was the first ride I think I've ever ridden like that is a drop and pull up. And yeah, there were lots of ride-throughs that I watched, lots of how does this ride work that I watched, and that made it a little bit easier for me, but I think I'm good for probably forever. And of course I'm wearing my Mission Breakout shirt, which came from the outlet in Nashville, so it's not like I've been to California to ride it. I do really want to go ride Mission Breakout when all the Marvel stuff gets opened up, so we'll see. I do know the difference there is kind of hang and give you a little bounce and make it more fun. Joe Rohde says it's more fun, so we'll try and see what he says one day. When that Marvel Land gets built, hopefully we can get out west and check it out. Number 4 on my list is Astro Orbiter at Magic Kingdom. As you've probably been able to tell with my little bit of park footage I've posted, I am a people mover gal all the way. I love going up the speed ramp. Wonderful. You put something on top of the people mover on the 2nd floor? Not so sure about that one. So, finally rode Astro Orbiter on this last trip I was on when I magically got brave, somehow. As you can see from the little bit of footage here, I was thrilled by a little bit of it, and being on the 2nd floor is not my favorite place to be, up in the air, but the views were awesome, and I would love to go back and do it during fireworks time, maybe at the Christmas party, I don't know. Only thing I didn't like was at the end, whenever they start to pull you down and it almost feels like you're pulling G's or something, and not a fan of that part of it. But besides the very end, it was a pretty good ride. I think I'm gonna get lost on it next time if the line's not too long, and see if he screams a little bit like I kind of did as well. All right, number 5 on the list, probably the tallest, I think, of all of these attractions, is Everest over at Animal Kingdom. This one took a while to work up to, and basically peer pressure made me do it. So that's how sometimes we face our fears, I guess. We had fast passes whenever we went on our honeymoon 5 years ago, and I was like, I got this, I'll go take this mountain on. We're standing in front of it, and you see the large lift hill that goes way up the mountain. And I said, I think I'm good. We'll go do something else. Cut to last year, we went on a trip with some friends for our Run Disney Week, and I got pulled onto the ride. You know, you can't be a chicken in front of your friends, right? So thank you, Chris, for making me do it. And trying to show me things whenever we got to the top. Wherever you stop at the very top, he was pointing out where Epcot was and all these other things, to which I was saying, I don't want to look anywhere but straight ahead. So that was a fun experience. As you can tell by the ride photo coming down that main hill, it was, I don't want to say terrifying, but almost terrifying. It took me a good 10-15 minutes to stop shaking a little when I got off. I think I'll probably do that one again, and then I'll probably say I'm good for a while, you know. Big Thunder and Space are about my speed. I like it when I can't see it coming, or it's not quite as crazy. So yeah, that is my top 5 scariest rides at Disney World. What are yours? Maybe you're not a chicken like me, I don't know. You have any tricks to not be a chicken, besides claustrophobia and not liking heights? I'll take those as well. Thank you so much for coming by and checking out my video and giving JLB Nerdy a chance. I hope to see you guys next time, not on a high roller coaster, and I hope you have a wonderful day.